Okay, we're going to make video number 2 on a Deckel FP2 milling machine. We're going to run it first in neutral so you could hear the sound it makes without anything engaged, and then we'll engage the gears and you can hear the gears running. So now it's running. You hear a little tapping sound coming from the back of the motor. There's a fan or something in there, probably the plastic fins on the fan tapping something lightly, but it's not a bearing or anything. It's definitely a plastic fan sound. That's at 125 RPM. That's at 1,000 RPM. Both spindles are running. This should be 630 RPM. This is 315 RPM. Here's 40 RPM. Here's 200 RPM. And then we'll run 1600 RPM. So there you have it.